I just finished a cycle of Epithalon, and if you haven't heard of this peptide yet, you need to pay attention right now. Because what the science shows about aging and cancer prevention is something most doctors are never going to tell you about. My name is Michael Tolbert. I'm a consultant with Body Symmetry MD, and I'm not just in this business, I live this. I personally cycle peptides, I track my biomarkers, and I do the research. Today I want to break down Epithalon, what it is, what the science says, and why I run a cycle of this every single quarter. Epithalon is a synthetic tetrapeptide, 4 amino acids, originally developed by Russian scientist Vladimir Kavinson at the St. Petersburg Institute of Bioregulation and Gerontology. His team has published over 40 years of research on this compound. That's not a fly-by-night supplement. That's serious science. Epithalon works by stimulating your pineal gland to produce more telomerase, the enzyme responsible for repairing and lengthening your telomeres. If you don't know what telomeres are, think of them like the plastic cap at the end of a shoelace. Every time your cells divide, that cap gets shorter. When it's gone, the cell dies, or worse, it mutates. That's aging. That's cancer risk. Epithalon goes to work on that process at the cellular level. Here's what the research shows on the anti-aging side. Epithalon has been demonstrated to extend telomere length in human cells. In animal studies, it extended lifespan by up to 25%. It regulates circadian rhythm and melatonin production, which directly impacts your sleep quality, your immune function, and your hormone balance. It also promotes the repair of damaged DNA. We're talking about actual cellular rejuvenation, not some cream you rub on your face. Now here's where it gets even more powerful. Multiple studies, including peer-reviewed work published in the Bulletin of Experimental Biology and Medicine, have shown that Epithalon inhibits the development of tumor cells. It supports apoptosis, which is your body's natural process of eliminating abnormal cells before they become a problem. It's been shown to reduce the incidence of mammary tumors in animal models by over 50%. That's not a small number. And while we don't make disease treatment claims, the preventative science on this is compelling. I just finished a cycle. 10 days, subcutaneous injection, 5 to 10 milligrams per day. I run this every quarter. What I notice personally is better sleep within the first few days, sharper mental clarity, and a general sense of recovery and resilience. My clients who are running Epithalon report the same. And when you stack it with proper sleep, clean nutrition, strength training, and the other peptides we offer at Body Symmetry MD, the results are undeniable. If you're over 35, if you have a family history of cancer, if you're serious about longevity, this is a conversation you need to have. Athletes, business professionals, anyone who wants to age on their own terms. This is not about living forever. It's about living well, operating at your peak, and protecting your body from the inside out. If you want to know whether Epithalon is right for you, go to bodysymmetrymd.com and book a consultation. We'll look at your full picture, your labs, your goals, your history, and build a protocol that makes sense for you. Or reach out to us directly at michael@bodysymmetrymd.com. I believe God designed this body to perform. It's our job to steward it well. This is how I do it. I'll see you next quarter when I run the next cycle, and I'll report back. Let's go.